Hello, this is Brian Casey of the Imaging Wire. We are here at RSNA 2025, and we are here in the booth of Merge. We have with us Dr. Raj Chopra and Stacy Sand of ADOC. Thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So, Dr. Chopra, can you talk to us a little bit about Merge? I mean, I know you guys have been around for a long time, and we all are a little bit familiar with what you do, but give us kind of a little bit of overview of the company.
So Merge is primarily known to be a PACS vendor. So what is PACS? PACS is a picture archiving system where radiologists are able to look at the images that patients get when they go to their doctor for a variety of clinical problems. Not only that, we have tools that help the radiologist be more efficient and a variety of artificial intelligence tools as part of our product.
All right, very good. And what are you highlighting here at RSNA?
All kinds of things, actually, Brian. Right now, we are working on a tool called Merge Worklist Orchestrator, which helps kind of figure out how to get the images to the docs in a timely fashion so that we read it more efficiently, and the best person who should be reading the study is getting to read the study. It helps with, we're working on things about burnout, making sure that everybody reads the proper amount of scans, so no one doctor reads too many scans so that the quality is maintained. There's a lot of really great tools out there in a time that we need those tools as the work is just rising at an existential pace. Yeah.
Now, one of the things that you're highlighting here at the meeting is your partnership with ADOC.
Yes.
And Stacy, you're going to talk about that a little bit. Can you tell us how the companies are working together?
Sure. So we are integrated into Merge's imaging suite, and that gives us the ability to be directly embedded into the physician workflow with one of the leading enterprise imaging companies in the US. And we are able to see really that being integrated into the workflow has helped these clinicians and hospitals adopt the AI much more easily and much, much faster.
So you said adopting AI faster. It's been kind of an issue. We all kind of wish that clinicians were adopting AI a little more quickly. What do you think are some of the factors that are sort of affecting that, and are you seeing it speeding up?
I think we are seeing it speed up. I think that number one, there are trainees that are coming up into the practice it's been part of their curriculum, right? It's been part of their training to expect AI, know how to evaluate it, know how to use it. But also in working with Merge, we've seen customers that we share, like TriHealth, where they've gone from really being a pilot into having more than 15 AI solutions from ADOC that are live throughout their system. So I think we're seeing people really trying to move beyond the pilots. They want to realize the benefits. They want to standardize care across the health system with the help of AI, and I think we're turning a corner now on that adoption, those barriers perhaps of adoption before.
That's good to hear. Dr. Chopra, can you tell us about what the ADOC relationship means to Merge?
So as you know, Brian, we talked about adoption. Adoption's been an issue because you have to have quality in order for adoption. There needs to be an ROI, and there needs to be best-in-breed relationships in order to present those AI tools to the doctors. We've done a lot of vetting. We have a lot of people who come to us to be part of our ecosystem, and ADOC we know does a good job and actually fulfills the promises that they say they do. It's not a marketing tool, but you have an ROI at the end. So having that relationship has been key for us to present good AI to our docs.
Very good. Now, Stacy, we're talking about AI adoption. What sort of data or what sort of evidence do you have that AI is actually making radiologists more efficient and work more effectively?
Well, we've seen definitely in the enhanced disease awareness space, we're able to help increase disease awareness of things like incidental PE and other incidental findings by 45%, so increasing that. We're finding the hidden, we're uncovering what's covered. And in terms of some of the other things we help with turnaround time, we are helping get that quality diagnosis the first time. And we just see that when those acute findings bubble up, you can't afford to miss them. And across the board, we're just seeing our ability to help. For example, we have a customer that in 1 year, we help them uncover and flag 10,000 critical incidental findings.
That's a lot, wow. Well, Dr. Chopra, what can we expect to see from this relationship in the future, and what can we expect to see from Merge next year?
That's a good question, Brad. Right now, we're focusing on efficiency. AI as a tool in a time where, like I said, the volumes are rising at an exponential rate. Our lists keep getting longer. So there's a lot of scary things hiding in those lists, and AI, things that ADOC does, brings those things to our attention before a mistake is made. So we're focusing on those things. How do we make radiologists more efficient, and how do we make sure that the critical patients are seen the fastest?
Oh, very good, and that's what it's all about. Well, I'd like to thank Dr. Raj Chopra of Merge and Stacy Sand of ADOC for being with us today.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Signing off from RSNA, my name is Brian Casey of the Imaging Wire.